Hello and welcome to our Outdoor Chef channel. You can use salmon or any fish of your choice. Have it cleaned, remove the bones, and dry it. Season with salt and black pepper. I prepared it in advance, so I didn't take up your time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, let us know where you're watching from in the comments. Fire. For the filling, you can use pre-boiled or frozen spinach. In a bowl, mix the spinach with salt, black pepper, cream cheese or ricotta, and cheddar, then prepare it. If you want to prepare the filling differently, you can use various vegetables, cheeses, or seafood. You can enhance the flavor and add ingredients that suit your taste. It's entirely up to you. Don't forget to subscribe to the Outdoor Chef channel, like the video, and leave a comment. Follow us for new recipes and delicious content. After preparing the filling with the consistency of cream cheese and mixing it well, I fill it into the salmon. The most important thing here is not to overfill, as it might spill out from the sides. When cheese melts during cooking, it can leak. Make sure to fill it evenly to achieve both a tasty and neat presentation. Fold the fish filled with the filling in half, then carefully skewer it with large skewers, just like I did. Don't place the skewers too tightly, but also avoid leaving too much space between them. Place it on a baking tray lined with parchment paper, and it's time to bake. Don't forget to subscribe to the Outdoor Chef channel, like the video, and leave a comment. Follow us for new recipes and delicious content. Preheat the oven to 230 degrees Celsius, then place the fish in the oven and bake for 30 minutes. I prepared roasted potatoes and beets in advance and served them on the side. You can serve it however you like. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video, and turn on notifications for new recipes. We'd love to know which country you're watching from, so feel free to leave a comment.